In this video, we're talking about writing an expanded form. This is on the bottom left of the homework. This is very strange subject matter. In fact, when I first started this one, I had no idea what in the world we were doing. But it's actually quite simple. What it is an exercise in place value. So there's two different ways to do it, fractions and decimals. We'll do the fractions first. Notice that the fraction and decimal part only refers to the fraction part of, or the decimal part of the question. So 7, this is 70, so that's 7 times 10. So that accounts for this place value. We don't do anything for the 0, so there's nothing that's times 1. There would be, if it was 73, we'd have to add 3 plus 1 here. But it's not there, so you do nothing for the 0. You do nothing for that 0. Now here we have 4, so you have a 4 times, and then it's the name of the place value. The name of this place value is the 100ths, or 1 over 100. So that's how you get this. And then you have 5 times 1 over 1,000, because this is the thousands place. So this is tens, this is ones, this is tenths with a th, this is hundredths with a th, this is thousands with a th. So it would look simply like this. Notice there's 1, 2, 3 numbers that are not zeros, and that gives us 3 things here to deal with. Now at the bottom of the screen here, I did it again with decimals, 70.045. And notice if you compare these two, they're pretty much the same thing, except instead of 7 times 10 is the same. But instead of 4 times 1 over 100, we have 4 times 0.01, which is read as 1/100th, which is the same as this, 1 over 100. And this, on the other hand, this is 5 times 1 over 1,000. This is 5 times 1,000. So they're the same thing. Now, there's many different forms of this, and I will just give you one more example since we're here. I'll do a different number that will show you how to do this and for a slightly more complicated. So we'll move up back to the fractions part, and I'll give you another number, let's say 32.05. Okay, this is probably a more normal question anyway that you would get. So the 3 times what? That's the tens place, sorry, plus the 2 times 1, because this is the ones place, plus, ignore the 0, so we go to the 5 times the fraction, that is the 100th position, so that's 1 over 100. Okay, so I know it's a little sloppy, sorry about that, but that's how it would look as a fraction. And lastly, let's do the same thing as a decimal. So again, changing it to a decimal in no way affects the 32. So you still have 3 times 10 plus 2 times 1 plus the 5 stays the same. And how would you write 1/100th? You would write 0.01, and it would look like that. Okay, and I will post a lot of extra materials to help you with this as well.